Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we will explore the world of quantum computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. And now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 22nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.31. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 8.51%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 0.47% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically represents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $13.93 is breached, it will initially suggest a slower pace of growth, but it may also serve as an early warning signal for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 23.87% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 12.17% and 95.88%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 84.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 35.56% to 340.35% over the coming year. This would place the future price between $20.85 and $67.73. Our latest daily update for quantum computing features the headline, Quantum Computing Incorporated stock upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The stock price of Quantum Computing Incorporated fell by nearly 4% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, dropping from $16.01 to $15.38. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.55%, ranging from a low of $14.98 to a high of $15.81. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, with a gain of 3.64% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive sign since volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares exchanged for approximately $276,930,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $27.15, while the lowest price was 58 cents. Currently, the price stands at 43.35%, or $11.77, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated experienced a significant rally earlier this month due to a series of hardware and cybersecurity agreements, with its stock price soaring by more than 100%. However, that upward momentum reversed today after the company announced second quarter results that fell short of expectations, leading to a decline in after-hours trading. Management held its scheduled call with shareholders, and investors are carefully analyzing the quarter for indications that these deal wins will convert into recurring revenue and improved margins. In the short term, anticipate heightened volatility, profit-taking from the previous spike, sensitivity to headlines regarding any guidance or execution language discussed during the call, and sector-wide concerns following mixed earnings from other quantum companies. Over the medium and long term, the fundamentals will be crucial. If Quantum Computing Incorporated can transform its recent commercial victories into consistent bookings, demonstrate reliable product delivery timelines, and maintain its cash runway, the company could warrant a higher valuation as it gains commercial traction. Conversely, ongoing misses, increasing research and development or deployment costs, or an inability to scale customer contracts could exert downward pressure on its valuation. Important near-term catalysts to monitor include details on the backlog, the timing of revenue recognition on those agreements, and any updates on margins and cash position. These factors will significantly influence both immediate price movements and long-term investor confidence. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a neutral grade to QBT with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a buy grade to QBT with an initialize action. Earlier, on Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, Ascendient reported that they gave QBT a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to quantum computing stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a sell rating. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have categorized the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. The stock for Quantum Computing Inc. presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $16.07 and $17.40. A breakthrough above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and thus far, it has fallen by 27.52%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 206 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 59 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Incorporated identifies support from accumulated volume at $15.13. This level may represent a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval generated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 83 cents or 5.55%. In the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $17.29. If you do not own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing faces its first support level at $15.13. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On July 11, 2025, Roberts Christopher Bruce conducted an insider purchase of 300,000 shares of options to purchase shares of common stock. On June 20, 2025, Roberts Christopher Bruce executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On June 20, 2025, Roberts Christopher Bruce made another insider purchase of 400,000 shares of stock options. On June 30, 2025, Huang Yuping performed an insider purchase of 1,050,812 shares of common stock. On June 13, 2025, Oemler Christopher conducted an insider purchase of 22,314 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 33.802. Overall, insiders acquired 59,621,631 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently no stop loss has been established. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? The stock of Quantum Computing Inc. shows multiple negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Quantum Computing Inc. will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of August, we expect quantum computing to open higher by a little over 1 cent and start trading at $15.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.